Welcome back guys, and on this video series we would be learning how to book a domain name. A domain name can be booked from various platforms. One of the most popular platform is GoDaddy. So in order to book a domain name from GoDaddy, you just simply need to log into godaddy.com, and when you would be logging into godaddy.com, you would be seeing an interface something like this. In this interface, first we need to write the domain name out here. For example, I want to book a domain name like my name is Kunal Jha. So I want to book a domain name with a Kunal Jha. So first rule, while searching for a domain name, never enter a space in between the domain names. If you notice properly, there is no space in any domain name. So first of all, never use a space while writing a domain name. Second, never search for a lengthy domain name. According to the one of the update of Google, that is EMD update, that is exact match domain update, the Google says that you can't have a very lengthy domain which may include the keywords of your business. For example, if I am into a business of selling shoes, so I can't have a domain name where buyshoes.com or buyshoesonline.com or bestshoesonline.com. These kind of domain names are restricted to be purchased. So while booking a domain name, you need to keep an eye on these points while searching it. So for example, let's come back here. So out here, as you can again see, it's Kunal Jha that I'm searching, and I need to click on this search domain. So once I've clicked on this search domain, all the probable options which are available right now would be shown in front of me with the probable extensions which are present. So it is saying kunaljha.in is taken, and what all options are available is just listed on my right hand side. Right? If you're finding the extension or name good, it's fine. Else you can just simply change the domain name from here and search something else. Like I need Kunal Jha. Now let's search for this domain. Right, this domain name is available. It's saying this domain name is available, and it's coming as .in. I want .com, so I'll simply write here .com, and again I'll search. So kunal-jha.com is also available at rupees 149 per month. So you can select whichever domain name you want from the probable options, and once you have selected the domain name that you want, simply click on this add to cart button. Now the domain name is added to the cart. Now continue to cart. Once you would be continuing to cart, it would be giving few options. There is a privacy protection options. You can choose or you may even avoid it. So by choosing these options, your name or your identity would be remaining hidden. If anyone is trying to search that who owns this domain name, it would be protected. It won't be disclosed. So if you don't want, if you think that you don't want this, you can simply select no thanks and just scroll down and click continue to cart. Out here you can see the options are coming. So there might this is one of the domain name that earlier I was trying to purchase, so I'm just simply removing it. Now it's saying kunal-jha.com for 2 years. So from here you can change for how many years you want to purchase it. So right now I want to book it from 1 year. So I'll simply select 1 year, and price have slashed down. So right now it's coming to be like 1015.98 is the cost of my domain name. If you're having a promo code, you can simply enter the promo code from here. And if you're not having a promo code, you can simply search the promo code on Google. One of the promo code that I know I would be putting out here. I'll just click on this have a promo code. It's CJCSIGLERC and apply. Okay, it's not taking the promo code of mine because it's already I have taken it. So you can search for the promo codes or for the codes which can work out here, and you can slash down the price of your domain name. Once you have finalized on your price and all the stuffs, you just simply need to create an account, and after the creation of account, you can continue with the purchase by paying it. And this is how you can book your domain name. Once you booked your domain name, the next thing that you need to do is book an hosting. So in the next video, we'll be learning how to book a web hosting.